8 fantastic Ramadan activities for kids. Gift Studio. Common activities performed during the month of Ramadan. Muslims are always busy worshipping the Almighty for the whole month. Some other common activities are fasting, sadaqah and zakat, Tarawih prayers, reading the Quran, commemorating nights, avoiding bad deeds, staying pious. To make Ramadan for Kids a learning and enjoyable month, you have to keep them busy for 30 days in Ramadan activities. To make Ramadan for Kids a learning and enjoyable month, you have to keep them busy for 30 days in Ramadan activities. Eight fantastic Ramadan activities for kids. Ramadan Decorations. Make something like a wall decoration or little DIYs with your kid in Ramadan and decorate your home with the kids' creations so he or she also feels included in Ramadan. DIY prayer mat. Ask your child what colors they want on their mat. Trace a mat on one sheet and cut the decorations for it from another sheet. Make sure to use a sheet that is not slippery. It's a fun, creative and learning Ramadan activity for a toddler. Edible Crescent Activity. All you need is a crescent in a star-shaped cutter in food. You and your child can spend hours cutting fruits and vegetables into shapes for iftar. This way, the child can also learn about different shapes and can also help cooking, which is also a great activity for him or her. Ramadan Calendar. Make your child a Ramadan calendar and leave a space for good deeds of the day. Then place a treat for each day. This way the kids will understand the meaning of rewards after doing something good, which is also one of the purposes of Ramadan. Moon sighting. Ramadan begins with a new moon, so it will be fun to watch the moon change phases every day. Make it a task for your kid to notice a change every day. They can take pictures or draw how they see the moon and compare them at the end of the month. This can be a fun activity for kids and can also help them maintain focus. Eid Money Envelopes. Eid money makes everyone excited. It is a culture that is followed by everyone, but we cannot hand the money directly into the hands. We need pretty envelopes for that. So ask your toddler to help you in crafting beautiful envelopes and they will surely have fun. Ramadan Wishing Cards. Handmade cards are the best gifts, especially made by a toddler. All the supplies you need are colored pencils, a piece of paper and decorative material. Then leave your kid for this Ramadan activity with their own creativity. Ask him or her to make as many cards as they like and then give them to their friends wishing Ramadan Mubarak. Eid DIYs. Eid and its decorations decorations are the most awaited in the last days of Ramadan. You and your kids can take part in crafting and DIYs to make decorations for Eid and Ramadan. For example, you can make wall decorations, creative tablecloths, or accessories. Schools also play their role in teaching students about the greatness of this month. Kids are taught about the significance, blessings, and rituals that this month holds in the lives of the Muslims through interesting Ramadan activities for kids. Hopefully, this video will help you find some fantastic Ramadan activities for kids that will help them learn and enjoy the month at the same time. Chip Studio.